it all unfold because Me and My Dog starts now. We'll call its tire rack 40 years later. We're not sitting down. TireRack.com. Everybody's in. Network time. Me and My Dog.
July 4th,
Today's
2024 at
Independence
12
Day,
p.m.
and later tonight we will be blasting the fuck off for the fireworks. Cletus, what's the matter?
Landon, I got a stalker coming back to haunt me.
Who?
Who's the stalker?
Come on, tell us.
Well, the bastard hates me and is plotting to take revenge. His name is Striker Lyric. He's a brother of Alfred.
What?
What the fuck? Another Lyric bastard.
Damn.
Is he way worse than Alfred?
Absolutely. He's not happy that Alfred was killed a year ago.
Oh shit.
Taste have certainly broadened from the traditional four-door sedan, which means naming the hatchback Toyota Prius our best family car really should.
He's about to unleash hell.
Do you know what that means, right?
Impetus alert.
Impetus alert indeed. Anyways, what did he do then?
He even kidnapped Gosha as well.
What?
Oh God no! Not my friend Kosha!
What do we do now?
I say we'll take care of that bastard.
That's a good idea, Fabrizio.
Yeah, you're right. We can't risk our friends being in danger to some psychopath that wants revenge on all of us.
Indeed.
Where is Gosha?
And where is Striker taking Gosha?
He's taken him to an empty building on 2200 Red Wolf Boulevard. Well, if Striker is there, then we better give him a fucking concussion.
I say, that's a good idea.
It could be risky, but we have to try.
Okay?
Well then, let's go rescue Gosha immediately.
Right. Grab Kitters and Catters. We're gonna end this.
Alright, execute point. Order 66.
Enough with the Order 66 bullshit. Let's go
2
immediately.
hours later at 2 p.m.
Please don't fucking hurt me, man. You tried to read my mind because of the crimes I made even Joss and my brother Alfred. It's time to say goodnight. Stop right there, motherfucker.
And the best thing about this tape is you lay down.
Well, if it isn't Fatty Fat Slavic Man.
Don't you fucking dare insult me like that. I don't know how you kept stalking my cat Cletus, but you made a terrible mistake of kidnapping my friend Gosha.
Really hard. And what that does is that breaks the
Gosha didn't fucking do anything to you.
Then just wrap a finger
You had
around
us
it,
angry when you
and
kept
give it a
stalking
nice
Cletus
tug.
non-stop.
See as I go across, it is actually cutting the
Maybe
vinyl
you should have just
right
go
on
back
my
to
line
North
that I put
Korea.
there.
What the fuck is your
All the way
problem?
across, nice
Yeah,
and slow.
what is
You
your
don't
beef
go
with
too
Gosha?
fast. And then, just like that, you've got a nice clean
Please, I have no beef with Gosha. My beef is with Cletus, Normie, and Maxie.
Just like that, you can get. Look how crisp that is.
I can't believe you killed my brother Alfred Laro just because you fired him.
Lies!
Where this knife is,
Fucking
First
lies!
of all, that has nothing to do with us. Secondly, Alfred was nothing but a fucking monster. All he ever did was ruined our lives. So, therefore, you are even worse than him.
Exactly.
Exactly. We are never gonna fucking forgive you for that.
You are the absolute asshole and a liar out of all of the villains in the category.
So do us a favor. Let Gosha go, or you are gonna regret everything you have ever did in your entire fucking life.
Never.
Okay.
I am doing this to avenge my brother's death.
Okay then, asshole, come here.
30 minutes later at
Now the
2:30
place is
p.m.
filled with bullets after the fight.
Part 2 with gloss black trim, two-tone rear spoiler, black roof
Ha 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 ha.
polished stainless
You
steel
all
steps.
have failed. Now Bushat is gonna perish.
A taller front end lends
Oh, I don't think so.
than before. This is the 4th gen of Honda's 2-motor hybrid system, and it is quite good. Just as we noted in
Oh,
our
come
review
on.
of the latest Accord hybrid, you spend
Conrad, Tracy, Fabrizio, Sammy, get Gusher to the hospital. Kingpin, Coda, Kidders, Catters, Groot, go back to the camper. We'll take over from here.
Yes, sir.
See you guys.
No! Come back! No! My only chance for revenge! It's ruined!
Shut your mouth!
Hitting 60 in 7.4 seconds and clearing the quarter mile in 16.1 seconds at 85 miles per hour.
Shut the fuck up already.
Very solid and composed through our cone course too, with very little body roll. Turn-ins are sharp with nice tight steering.
Now listen to me, Cletus.
Now you listen. All my life, Normie and I have been stalked by a bunch of pricks. But now the way I see it is that the only thing dark and cruel about it is pricks and monsters like you.
She's right. She may have been having issues in the past, but she knows what it means to be the best cat around the natural state.
60 in just 115 feet.
But you are nothing but a sick, twisted, fucking maniac as Alfred and Hector. I have been stalked before, but I taught that asshole a lesson with the Canovi mask, and Cletus is not afraid to use it.
I agree with all three of them on that. So you might as well surrender.
Are a nice improvement and very easy to master. A 7-inch touchscreen is standard with a 9-incher available. There are multiple
Please,
ways to
Cletus,
monitor the
give me
high
one
speed
more
power
chance.
flow,
I'm sorry.
along with an
It was
average
nothing
snow
personal.
glide mode and new hill descent
Nothing
control.
personal.
Cargo capacity was already a
After what you
CRV
put me
strong
through,
point, but they
I'm
made
gonna
it
tear
easier
your
to
fucking
carry
heart out.
Space is up slightly to 39.3 cubic feet.
You cannot catch me.
Come back here, Striker.
He's getting away.
Fuck. What do we do now?
Guys, quick, get in.
Into the van.
90 minutes later at 4
There's
p.m.
nowhere to run, Striker. Give yourself up.
Longer, taller, and wider, flaunting a more stylish exterior. The interior is luxurious.
Fuck, fuck,
and
fuck.
tech-savvy,
Nowhere
including
else to go.
BMW
I'm cornered on the
display
cliff.
and available
Your
interactive
lies are over, Striker.
Chevrolet has partnered with American Expedition Vehicles.
Now you know how it feels to get fucked over.
Now, I'm giving you one choice. Leave my friends alone and get out of town. And never come back to Jonesboro ever again.
And if you ever try to do anything stupid, you will face the ultimate concussion to hell. Daisy, Roscoe, Howard, you go back in the car. I gotta take my notes.
It packs a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 690
Oh, shit.
That means 0 to 60 sprints in 3.
I've warned you.
Cletus, now!
Bye-bye, bastard.
Suspension.
Good riddance, you stalker.
Eliminating the need for
Holy shit. Cletus, you're amazing. How'd you do that?
Indeed, I transformed with my Kanahi mask, and this is my ultimate form. I call this one the God Mode Catalina.
Cool.
Wow. Now that is super cool.
Indeed. Now what?
Now let's get out of here, before someone sees us.
Yeah, you're right. And we gotta have a 4th of July celebration later tonight. Come on, let's get out of here. To be continued in the next episode. And now it's time for sign off. Well, guys, this now concludes our broadcasting for today on ATN7, the WB, the CW, UPN, Discovery, and our newest member, City TV Plus. And now, stick around for what's ahead. Thank you for watching me and my dog. But stop everything! Because next week will be the season finale event, we're giving this a double episode event, just like last year. Only this time, everything will never be the same again. And the biggest course will change forever. So, don't miss the season finale, starting at a special time, next Thursday, 9/8 Central, on the WB and City TV Plus. Until then, this is me signing off. Good night.